everybody? It's your boy Nick. Welcome to the vlog today. I appreciate you joining me here. I do have a little bit of plans for today. I'm about to go hang out with one of the homies. You guys will see him soon. I gotta get a few things packed up. Gotta pack up the camera. About to pack up my skateboard just in case we go skate. Gotta pack a second set of clothes. We might go hoop. Gotta get all that stuff together, and then we're gonna be on the road. Okay, so I have arrived at the destination. I am here with my man Cam right here. What's good, Cam?
What up?
And we are about to go skateboarding. So, as you may be able to see, Cam, oh God, has his skateboard. I got a skateboard, and we're gonna take some shots of that. And they are no doubt gonna be awesome because we are expert skateboarders. Expert skateboarders. So be ready for some expert skateboarding videos. Gonna put a montage up probably in the next video.
I'ma hit the road. I'm leaving out the goal. Welcome 520.
Okay, so we are at the hill right now. We're gonna start skating. We're going to be shredding. Expert skateboarders. So we're gonna try to get some clips of that, which will be following.
Lord, I needed 21 now where I come from, but I think now is the wrong time. Baby, I'm back when the sun gone, but I can promise I'm on one. Why you hate me when I do this? Can't be the one put you through this. I'ma be me and no wrong one. You just came in for the song. I just came in for the long run. Guess I came in for the wrong one. She looked at me for the figures. Tell all my homies go figure.
Oh my God! Yeah, what happened?
Yo, I had too much. I started to get the wiggles.
Baby, I'm on the knee one time. Tell me how you with it. Tell me how you with it, no lie. Show me how you better than the side. Kinda hard to hide it in the side. Look how you feeling inside. Why do you keep the divide? I don't wanna go, but I got to.
We have been hitting all of these paths, all over the woods. Oh man, it is beautiful to be out here in Mother Nature, in the browns, in the greens, and we wish we could say the blues, but we know the water is also brown, so the browns and the greens. But, wonderful. Love being out here. Thoughts?
Wonderful, wonderful.
I don't need a
Nail something.
Like on my moves, look like I do. Look at how you do, cause it's not new. Guess that is something I've been through. Not a single thing you ain't been through. Name a couple things that I could do, but I don't gotta flex.
We just got just a little bit lost, so we're gonna have to GPS it to figure out how to get back. But we got the directions.
Good to go.
We know where we gotta go now. We're gonna get on the way. We might have another homie coming through to shred. Also, pro skater.
Expert skater.
Expert.
Let's do it.
Okay, we have picked up another member of the squad. So we still got Cam, and now we got my man Durner. What's good, Durner?
How you guys doing? What's up? I'm Jordan. Let's go shred.
We're gonna go shred. We're about to go hit those same trails, but we're gonna let Durner go down and see what's popping off. We got the Cam and me still. Yeah, we about to go get some more cool shots. All right, sick. Expert skaters.
I don't need a check. I'm hoping that you get this. Let you know I'm next. I'ma hit the road.
James, catch, fire, ball game! He did it! LeBron James wins it for Cleveland!
I'm leaving out the goal.
So after that last shot that you saw, your boy took a tumble. I stepped back. It was like a booby trap. The earth just fell, and I got a little bit of a boo-boo on my leg. It's not that big of a deal. It doesn't really hurt or anything like that. However, I figured I should come back, err on the side of caution, rinse it off, you know, follow proper medical procedures, and make sure it's nice and clean so I don't have anything to worry about later. So we're back at the crib. I'm gonna clean it out, and then we'll figure out something to do from there. Okay, so it is the following day. I realized I did not give a proper outro, so here it is. I just want to say, if you stuck it out to the end, thank you for hanging out for the day, for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead, leave a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, maybe tell a friend to tell a friend. But hey, I do appreciate y'all sticking around. I hope it was cool. I hope I'm able to edit this in a way that is entertaining. I do plan on making more videos going forward. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for hanging out. All right, peace.